Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Instagram ads. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. First of all, open your Instagram application and just click on the button which is on the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the profile section, you just need to click on these three lines which are on the upper right corner. And once you click on this inside the settings and privacy, you just need to choose the first option which is inside your account section. Just click on account center, and once you click on account center, you just need to scroll down and you will see multiple options like inside the account setting, password and security, personal details, your information. And the fourth option is called add preferences. So just click on this add preferences. And inside this customize ad, you can see along with this option called manage info. So just go inside manage info, scroll down, and you can see this option called ads shown outside of Meta. So just click on add from ad partner. Just click on this option, and as you can see, show me ads from partners. Just click on don't show me ads from ad partners. Turn it off and go back. And the second option, ads about Meta, just go inside this one and just set it to don't use my activity. Show me Meta ads about, like, show me ads about Meta. Just click on confirm. And once you confirm it, as you can see, like, all the ads have been turned off on your account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can turn off your Meta ads on your Instagram account.